And the gun has just gone off. We missed the first 8 seconds of the 910 4x2. On the outside, we have Brianna Lindo. On the inside, Chloe Harrigan. And coming through the first exchange. Time of 29 seconds. A time of 32. They will stay in their lanes around the curve. And then cut into lane 1. Nova's ahead of Velocity. And Nova's being third. She was coming, but Camilla is strong. It opens up the lead. KK Swift here on the third leg here on Wednesday, December 27. KK Swift opens it up on Velocity. And we'll be handing off to Tyresa. Beautiful handoff. Very nice handoff here. Well ahead of second. Third place comes down in the wrong lane here. And Sapphire stays in the wrong lane. And we'll see our Tyresa. Where are you? Tyresa Gons. Coming in. We're not going to break 2 minutes today, but it will be close. 2:01. And we have Sapphire still outside in lane 3. Her first relay, first indoor relay. And all of our 910s there move up next year. Congratulations.